Let's start our 10-minute workout series. I'm calling it Talk and Tone. Today we're going to work on some exercises and stretches that can help with the hump that you develop behind the neck, which is also seen in a lot of my before videos. So let's get into it. All you need is a yoga mat and dumbbells. Dog is optional, okay? So we're gonna get down on the mat and we're going to start with something called cat camel. I have a timer on, so we're gonna make this quick. You're going to do the workout with me. We've got this. So hands will go under the shoulders, okay? Knees go under the hips. Breathe in, draw the belly button in and drop the head. Exhale, raise the head and drop the belly. Breathe in, exhale. Okay, this helps with the fluidity of your spine. Great to stretch out after a long day at your desk. Breathe in, drop that head. Let the full weight of your head drop. Exhale, breathe in. Exhale, breathe in. Exhale, raise that head, drop that belly, breathe in again, drop that head and raise that belly. And opposite, breathe in, exhale again, breathe in, exhale. Really feel your spine stretch through this entire movement. Breathe in, stretch out that spine, exhale. Stretch out that spine. One more time, breathe in and exhale. Okay, simple start, super easy, nothing complicated. Now we're going to get into bird dog, but we're going to do a very simplified version. This is going to help lengthen your spine as well as build core stability. Super easy. Your hands will go under the shoulders, like the wrist goes under the shoulders. Sorry about that. Knees will go under the hips. Don't put your knees together. Spread them so they're hip width. From here, you're going to draw that belly button in so you're nice and tight. Make a fist and flex your toe in towards your knee. You're going to breathe in and stretch and lengthen out that body as far as you can. Bring it back into that normal position, starting position. Then you're going to do the other side. Make a fist, flex that toe in, go out, and come back. Okay, so let's go back to the original side. Fist, toe flexed out and down. Fist, toe flexed and down. Fist, toe flexed and down again. Fist, toe flexed, and don't let the spine relax, okay? Make sure you keep that belly button drawn in and you stay nice and stable through the core. You shouldn't be wobbling around. Take your time. Do this as the same speed as I'm doing it, okay? Breathe in, extend, slowly come back. Breathe in, switch sides, slowly come back. Breathe in, extend, 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 and slowly come back. How are we doing so far? So far, so good. You're following. Make sure you're taking your time through these movements. Also, this is my first time recording a live workout that you're doing with me. So bear with me. If you have any feedback, let me know. I want to keep these workouts as short as possible, ideally between 10 to 20 minutes. This is just to introduce more and more of you to strength training. It's not scary, plus we're improving your posture. Okay, let's get back down. Wrists go under the shoulders, knees go under the hips. Draw that belly button in. Take a nice big breath in and stretch out as far as you can. Come down. Switch hands and legs. Come down. Stretch as far as you can. Keep that toe flexed in. Look at my toe, look at my wrist. Come down, out, and down, out. Stretch it out, stretch it out. Bring it back down. Stretch it out, stretch it out. Bring it back down, out. Good, good, good. Down, one more time. Push that leg out, stretch that arm out. Bring it down. push that leg out, stretch that arm out, and bring it down. Now from here, you're just going to rock your body back so your bum is on your heels, and you're going to stretch your arms forward like you're trying to reach for something far, far away from you, and you're gonna feel a stretch in your upper back. Now I'm really close to the mic right now, so I don't know what this sounds like, but just bear with me, stay in this stretch, feel it, breathe through it. 2 more breaths. 1 more breath. Good job. Now we're going to take that inside arm, the one I'm waving with. You're going to tuck it under. You're going to look through there, drop that shoulder, and you're going to stay in this stretch for 3 breaths. 1, 2, 1 more. Good job. Now we're going to take the other arm. You see how I'm waving? We're going to tuck it under here. We're going to pull it through and just stretch it out. Breathe here. Good. 2. 1 more. Good job. All right, come back here. All right, we have about 5-6 more minutes to go. Now we're going to do some movements to help pull those shoulders back and down away from the neck. You don't want those rounded shoulders and that bad posture. So we're going to do Y raises. Now for this, we're gonna stand on up. Okay, if you see me looking this way, I'm just checking the camera. So I have a viewfinder there. So we're gonna stand on up. I'm gonna show you sideways. You're going to put your hands on your thighs, slide down just a little bit. Okay, so your bum is pushed back. You don't wanna be like this. You wanna slide back just a little bit. You're gonna give me a thumbs up. And now we're going to dot the end of a Y. So we're making Y raises. Keep the shoulders down. Don't bring them up here. Relax those shoulders. Tighten through the core. You don't want to be like relaxed. Tight through here. Hips back. And we're going to do Y raises 8 to 10 times. So 1, 2, good. Keep your thumbs pointed up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Okay, now for those of you who find that to be too easy, you can grab your dumbbells. You want to use anywhere between 2 to 5 pound dumbbells for this. So you're going to hold it so that the dumbbells are pointing up now. So we're going to go up. If you're not using dumbbells, continue with the thumbs 8 times. 1, 2, 3, don't look up, keep your spine nice and neutral. 4, breathe in. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Now you can stand on up. We're going to put the dumbbells down, and I'm going to show you the next movement. We're going to make another letter, which again helps with the scapular health, which is like the bone that we have back here. It's going to help open up that chest, those tight shoulders, and it's going to help improve your posture. We're going to do a thumbs up again, but your palms are going to face away from you, and we're going to lift up into a T 8 times. So breathe in. 2, okay, 3, I don't think you can see me this way, 4, 5, 6, point those thumbs up, squeeze your shoulder blades together tight at the top, keep your shoulders away from those ears, 7, one more time, 8, good job. Take a breather, okay? If you need to have water, you need to pause the video, do it at any time. The intention of this workout is to be low intensity, low impact. You shouldn't be out of breath. Maybe I am because I'm talking a bunch, but again, because we're talking and toning. Okay, now if you're using dumbbells, you're going to hold it so that the dumbbells are pointing away from you, and we're going to do the T raises again. Ready? 8 times. If you don't have dumbbells, you can use a water bottle. You can also do this without any weight, okay? It's an equally effective exercise. Breathe in, lift up, down. Breathe in, breathe in, Breathe in. Good. Breathe in. Breathe in. There you go. Breathe in. Let's do one more. And down. Look at that. Okay? Have we even noticed how much time's gone by? We only have like 4 minutes left. We're gonna do this super quickly. We have one more exercise. We're gonna do external rotation. Now for this one, I do recommend using some kind of weight. 1 or 2 pounds is often enough for most people. If you don't have lighter dumbbells, just use a bottle of water, okay? Now you're gonna put your foot out here, leg here, lean on this arm. We can do this, we have 4 minutes to go. So rest your elbow on the knee, hold the dumbbell or the weight with your palm facing down, slowly lift up and down. Breathe in, down. Breathe in. Good. Breathe in. Good job. Breathe in. Nice and slow on the way down. Don't drop it down quickly, okay? Control that weight. Control the movement. Nice and slow. One more time. Breathe in and down. Okay? Now we're going to do the other side. Sit the same way. Hand on your side. Elbow on the knee. Breathe in, lift up, exhale. Breathe in, lift up. Breathe in. Good. 2 more times. Okay, sorry, now 2 more times. Good. And I gotta learn how to talk and count. I wanna make sure we're still doing the right amount of reps, okay? We're gonna come back to the original side. We're gonna do one more quick round and then we're done. That's our entire workout for the day. So elbow on the knee, palm facing down, nice tight grip on the dumbbell. 1, down, 2, down. Breathe in, 3, down, 4, down, 5, down, 6, you got this. 7, that's my dog, that's Sydney. 8, and rest. Other side. Elbow on the knee, hand on the ground, nice tall spine, shoulders away from the ears. Breathe in. 1, 2, breathe in, tight grip. 4, Sydney. 5, sorry. 6, what's the matter? Lift up. 7, she's my timer, she's telling me it's time. And 8, good job. Okay, that's it. That's all we're doing today. We're just starting you off. We're gonna work on that hump, your posture, tight neck, tight shoulders. Today we've opened them up. Let me know if there's a specific body part, exercise, something you need help with. I'm gonna keep this series coming. Talk and tone, 10 minutes-ish. Okay, let me know how I did. Let me know what you think. And I'll be back with the next video in a couple of days.